Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Norma Acosta with MOMISDESIGNS, and in this channel you're going to be learning how to make different DIYs, how to price them, how to sell them, and where to get them at wholesale. In this video, I'm going to be doing a review and a test. It's a vinyl printable sticker paper. It is a matte finish, and it also has other wonderful products you can try. I already have all the items that I want to test. So if you want to learn how to make stickers, I'm going to go ahead and put links of them. And I'm also going to put links of the other stuff in the bottom in the description box. The first thing that I got to say, so that you know, any labels that you print, you have to do them on an inkjet printer. If you print them on a regular printer, the image is gonna fade. Okay, we are also going to do a test in water because this one says that they're waterproof, so we're going to be doing that. This is the 8.5 by 11 and it's $9.50, which means that you get each sheet for 47 cents. The first thing that I gotta say is the paper is not super thick. If you guys have tried the Cricut sticker paper, it's very thick and it gets stuck in your printer, where this one does not get stuck. So at the end of the video, I'm also going to do a breakdown. The very first thing that I'm going to show is this one here. I print these so that when I sell something on eBay, I put it on to close the little box or just to thank them. These are stickers, and these I print them on 2 by 2.005. That's just the size, and you can get 12 on a page. Remember the Cricut only prints 6 3/4 by 9 1/4, so that's what I did there. So basically all I'm going to do I'm going to show you that once you process it, here's your stickers, and you just go ahead and peel them off. Okay, so I made a boo-boo here when I was taking off the label. I moved my hand wrong and I lost 2 of them, but here, this is how it looks. Okay, this other one I tested, I was able to get 10 of them, and I printed them at 2 3/4 by 1.706 right here. So it's the same thing. You just basically lift the paper and pull it out evenly. Don't do what I did. Okay, there you go. See, here's another one that I didn't pull it correctly and it came off. But here's the idea, you guys. I make 10 of them, and I really like the quality. This is all the social media where you can find me. So now the last test that I want to do on this, and I'm very excited about trying this out, is that I'm going to cut one of these, the one that I ruined. I'm going to cut it, and we're going to test it in waterproof paper. So here's my sticker, and I'm just going to go ahead and put her in the water. I'm going to put links up here on how I do my labels on my Cricut. So this has been like maybe half a minute. Let me pull it out. You can tell that it's wet on this side because it's the backing, but look at that. Nothing came out. Okay, if I do a shower gel to sell, they can put it in the bathroom and it's not going to come off. Look at that. I'm very excited. So here it is, you guys. If you have any other questions, make sure you put them in the description box, and I will answer you as soon as I can. Other than that, I'm very happy with the result. Here you go. And next, you will see the breakdown on the price. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.